myself dreaming in silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We're walking on moonlight and you pulled me close. Split second and you disappeared and I